Hello, my name is Yuri and you are watching the fifth last part of series of videos about proper Kanban implementation. In this video, we will be speaking about dependency management in Kanban. Enjoy the watching.
Jira by itself offers multiple ways of tracing and tracking dependencies between the tasks, but it doesn't really visualize them nicely. With advanced Kanban and Agile boards, you can not only see the dependencies, but also create new one straight from the view of the board. Well, now you may be thinking to yourself, will it work with my Jira? The advanced boards that I'm talking about, that I presented here to you, are compatible with Jira Cloud and Jira Data Center. So if you rely on any of these solutions, give it a try. I'm also happy to hear from you if you face other challenges regarding introduction of Kanban practices with Jira.
Thank you very much for watching this video and another videos from this series. By the way, if you missed some of them, you can always find them in the description under this video. Also, we would like to say a special thank you to Radek for sharing his experience and recording all the videos and creating all visuals for them. We believe that those videos can help you to make better process and improve collaboration with your teams. Thank you again and stay tuned.